Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to service Audi A6 only way. Begin by securing the car, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and confirming you have torque specs. Check fluid levels, inspect belts and hoses, and test the charging system. Keep a clean workspace and label parts as you remove them. Follow the manufacturer sequence for tightening fasteners and reset service intervals after completing checks and repairs for reliable results. When servicing fluids and filters, start by draining the engine oil and replacing the oil filter with an OEM or equivalent part. Replace the engine air filter if it looks dirty and swap the cabin filter to reduce odors and allergens. Inspect coolant for contamination and bleed the system as needed. Use DOT4 brake fluid and ensure proper bleeding to remove air for a firm pedal and safe stopping performance. For brakes and suspension, lift the car safely and remove wheels to inspect all components closely. Measure rotor thickness and pad material, replace parts that fail manufacturer limits, and clean caliper slides before reassembly. Check suspension joints for play and replace worn bushings or leaking shocks. Retorque lug nuts and fasteners to spec, lower the car, and test drive slowly to confirm proper braking, steering response, and that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.